Stay mounted,
Good luck.
PT.
Lakad lang. Sa atin sa angle ah. Guys, huwag kayong magkakait. Pag nag-walk-in sila sa atin, huwag kayong mag-turn ah. Northeast tayo, dire-diretso sa backline. Hitan natin agad yan.
Watch niya lang yellow pink. Watch yung yellow pink.
Oh my god, thank god, ang lapit nila.
Sigma, you don't need to be mounted bro. You're Black Monk.
Left tanks on PT2, you can mount, you can be dismounted.
Spread kayo sa side, huwag kayo lahat sa southeast ah. Spread kayo northwest, spread kayo northwest, spread kayo northwest. Spread northwest, spread northwest, spread northwest, spread northwest. Ready ah, ready to walk in ah.
Space northwest.
Take space, take space, take space, take space, take space, take space. Ready, sige, spread lang ako konti, spread lang, spread lang, spread lang, spread lang, spread. Spread. Step up ng konti, step up ng konti. Ready northwest ah, ready northwest ah. Look nyo northwest, northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now.
Get ready,
And full
PT2.
Ready, def. Spread lang. Def now. Def. Gago kayo, def. Onyet ang mga to. Spread and brawl.
Ang galing
Wala naman kayo, pre. Spread lang. Ready inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Lanata akong DPS, putang ina nyo. Isang engage lang kayo lahat.
Initial.
Upal, wala na. GG na to, pre. Scrum na kayo. Bilis nyo namatay dun. Scrum, GG.
Naku po.
Gag.
Gagong lula.
Di ba na ako nabakasan dun yan? Dami namatay.
Clamping na naman kayo, talaga.
GG, papunta pa lang ako.
Sabi nyo, GG, talaga, skill issue. Oh no, bro. One hit lahat ng backline ko, pre. Ano ba yan? Tagal na natin nagbo-brawl.
Nag-natural clamp kayo, pre.
Oo nga, lahat sila nasa likod. Tangina, nag-natural clamp. Dapat tayo mag-hit ng backline nila, hindi tayo magpapahit.
Mikey, you wanna see the clip?
No bro, don't wanna see the clip bro.